to another Minecraft video. A video inside of and look at the sun coming up in the morning, and why on earth am I holding this clock? Okay, redo that. Hello, this is the guy, and okay, blah blah. Okay, so today, I always usually say that hello, this and welcome to a video inside of but that's actually kind of only the first part of it. But today I'm showing you something pretty cool. Boom! Not only did I make a replica of the beginning of Iron Man 2, but I also made a vending machine. Okay, so this is how you actually no, I'm gonna show you this first. Okay. I'm sorry, like Kanan, we want it. You're all like Kanan or the guy. We want to see how the thing works. But this is actually a teleporting punch glitch that I learned just today. Yeah, it punches him. And here's another thing. Oh, I'll place that back. I think, yeah. You can't break it. See? You can't break it. Gosh, I wish I was filming with my hands here so you can know that I'm actually putting my hand on it. But that doesn't matter right now. Let's just get to, whatever thing that I'm doing. And right here it says Pink Laffy Taffy, White Airhead, Brown Skittles, and White Smarties. So let's take, I kind of like Skittles. Sorry, I didn't mean to kill you by accident. Let's use all of our money and buy everything. Let's buy everything. Yay, we bought everything, woohoo! Okay, let's not waste our time here. I think I might have enough time to do the Iron Man thing, but I don't have the music, so I'm gonna have to make it, I don't really know the song that well, and yeah, all I kind of got to was doing this because I don't know any of the words, but that'll be pretty much all. And remember, be a guy. See ya.